them I go do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Yes, my people, big up on the cell, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know say NEWLINK there, no people. You understand? From the other day, NEWLINK now drive people. Everybody has say NEWLINK cannot drive. You know, say quarantine a go on, but you are going on now. To the people, me come some woman there home. One food, one go boil some soap and thing. And when me come some people and come some boom, me can't find no yam. Me can't find no. You know what I mean? You know what me really want for my soups and NEWLINK say, I go on, I going on the road and I go and get my food and go back home. Well, people, luckily I made it. Go on the road, going back home now. Don't see no police to stop me because I'm not breaking the rules. I just go grab some food and going back home. And if they want to stop me, I got the receipt to show. So, people, what we really want to talk about now, see? No joking about it now. You understand? Is this little idiot boy now than a Jamaica now? This little fool boy now, this little maniac. You understand? Who go do that the video now, saying live now, and I say, yo, like them in the street and them now left straight, Mr. Andrew now, he got this and that with the mother. Well, people, oh my world, oh my peaches. You see how fast police come down upon him? Eh? Where are the friend them there? Yes, they run gone left him alone standing. Mr. Andrew no feel good about it, people. Because news are NEWLINK say Mr. Andrew really feel hurt about it. Because Mr. Andrew himself, you know, say work when I put in and him try to secure the safety of Jamaican citizens them. And this little idiot boy from nowhere now comes up, boom, and go do that every day now, people. I don't know when go smoke or when go sniff or something that fly in our head that lead him to do something like this. You understand? But honestly, my viewers and subscribers, him really disrespectful. No joking about it, NEWLINK say. And this boy deserve an attack. Him really disrespectful. No boy, no woman, no girl, no child, nobody don't have the rights to come do no video. You understand? And disrespect the Prime Minister like that. No matter if you're P or you're J, it no matter, respect is due. You get me, I say, people? Respect is due. I mean, feel like we about it. If you see the boy come and big old live. You understand? Because Mr. Andrew no do nobody nothing, people. More than a try to secure the people them. You understand? Because if you hear about quarantine, every country in this world right now, you see India, a bamboo tick and big tick, they have a beat, man. They're not Africa, they know, the Uganda and some other place, people. An electrical wire, the police they have, and have some other people, beat the people them for going in their house. Mr. Andrew did the right thing, I tell you, them say, you are going, and the people in Jamaica stay off of the road because serious thing, people. This virus thing is serious thing. And the man and this boy now take out him. You understand? You're disrespectful, youth. You're disrespectful. And honestly, more you do some time for it. You know what I mean? And when we're done, more you come with a public apology. Viral. We want to go just like we go viral. We had this up the Prime Minister and talk about this and that. And some want it go viral. You know what I mean? Because youths and youths, you know, for respect. You know, for respect. These are serious time now. This is not a joke thing. When I hear about COVID-19, it's no joke thing, people. It's serious thing. And these little dibby brain boy now take this thing for joke. You know what I mean? And that's why so much foolishness are going on the yard, you know. Eh? And them are the one who make things bad for other people, and them are the one who mess up the country with this foolishness. Who give him the rights? Eh? To come about this and that about Mr. Andrew. Eh? Who give him the rights? Or the authority to come eh? Mr. People, you see, and you like them there. You hold them man, and when you not box them, you know. You just have one jack, one man per one this side and one per the other side. No, just a box him left, right, center, back, have sense boy. Back, have sense boy. And Mr. Andrew put on two upon him too. You know what I mean? Eh? Respect is due, man. If you feel like you want disrespect the Prime Minister, go on with your friend them pan corner, go do that, and you know no right to do it same way, but don't come publicly and come at the video boy, you do live and this and that like you attack man. Look how you look, people, when the police them hold him. Eh? It look like when SpongeBob can't find Squidward. Eh? When the police they hold him. Eh? And that's why them telling us some man said my bad man, but you see what reach them? Eh? You see what reach them? Boy, them a bad man and them a top man and them a shot. Them a bad man, them a idiot. I fool them. Eh? In time like this, children even know. So but there you know my people giving thanks to life as usual, man, you know what I mean? Go up on the road as me telling no people and me go check it out and I say, boy, the road clean. The people I respect the thing and I love that. When the people say people are going to do their normal, you know what I mean? Grocery shopping and them thing there. They obey the rules and the laws, people, and then go do their local shopping, people. They not break no law, they not break no rules. You get me as the people at them we see. So we respect them. You know what I mean? But anybody else who don't want to respect the thing, man, who don't need to obey the rules and laws when they set. You get me I say? A serious thing you need to obey it and tap be a fool. A serious thing. You get me? So I respect the people them who are obey, who are follow the rules, and who are follow the law them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't know people, so enough love for people, enough respect and thanks the love and thanks the support to each and every one, man. What's a new link and understand what say it from then, what say it from when, and what say it right now. You get me as the people, but in the end, people, respect is due to each and every one. You understand? If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. And remember to please hit that notification bell icon so when NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Don't know enough people, enough love, enough respect, man. Peace out and respect every time. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out.
What them a go do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.